My English Book 5, Standard 5. Poem Where Go the Boats? Listen carefully and read with me. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. It flows along forever with the trees on either hand. It flows along forever with the trees on either hand. Green leaves are floating, castles of the foam. Green leaves are floating, castles of the foam. Boats of mine are boating, where will all come home? Boats of mine are floating, where will all come home? On goes the river, and out past the mill. On goes the river, and out past the mill. Away down the valley, away down the hill. Away down the valley, away down the hill. Away down the river, 100 miles or more. Away down the river, 100 miles or more. All the little children shall bring my boats ashore. All the little children shall bring my boats ashore. Shall bring my boats ashore.